I'm going to do a quick video demonstration today of this Tectron talking alarm clock. This is really neat. Pretty basic, just talks to you.
4:21 p.m.
And then we go through some of the different alarms. Okay, so there's 3 alarms. You got a 12 or a 24-hour setting there for all of you military guys there. High and low volume, we had it on high, so let's see here.
4:21 p.m.
That would not be enough to wake me up. There you have it. Pretty basic, simple alarm, pretty lightweight. Talking snooze button.
4:22 p.m.
Takes 2 AA batteries, which aren't included, but very easy to get a hold of. So there you have it, the talking Tectron alarm clock. Have a great day. Bye-bye.